Hi everyone, Narelle here, and in this video I wanted to go through another option of using really busy paper. So this is a sheet from Mintay, the country collection, and some people find these pages really hard to use. Sometimes you don't want to cover up the pattern that's on there, but sometimes the pattern is just too busy. So an easy way to use these papers is to make them into cards. And it's really simple to get 6 cards out of a 12 by 12 sheet of paper. I'm just cutting it here in 3 strips of 4 inches and then cutting them at 6 inches. So I end up with 6 pieces that are 4 inches by 6 inches. Now the cards in Australia, 6 inches is too long. So I'm going to go back and trim them to be 5 3/4 inches so they fit onto a standard card front. And to the side there I have 6 pre-cut and scored greeting cards. So I just cut A4 pieces of cardstock in half sorry, to make tentpole cards. So as you can see, when you separate the 6 pieces, each piece in itself has a lovely little scene on it. So all you need to add to these is sentiment, really. You can add some ribbons, some twine, some rhinestones, whatever else you want. But I kept them really simple and I just added sentiments. So in this one, I'm trimming off a bit to make them measure 5 3/4 so they fit nicely on the card front. So I'm going to stop talking now so that you can watch, and then I'll be back with a little bit more of the process. Okay, so here I am back with the finished cards, and I kept them really, really simple and just put a die cut sentiment on each of them. And I used a few different dies for this. They're all from Couture Creations and on my website, simplynorelle.com. And they're just really, really simple sentiments using a dark brown cardstock. And to make them a little bit more prominent, I guess, I cut 3 or 4 of the same words and stacked them on top of each other and glued them all on top. So I think they make really simple, really pretty cards, and it's a great way to use up that paper that you don't know what to do with. So I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, then please like it, subscribe, and hit that notify button so you know when I'm on next. Thanks, have a great day.